Guys, welcome to That Coding Bro. Now let's discuss today problem. First of all, heartily welcome to our channel. Today the question is write a C program that prompts the user to enter the marks obtained by a student and then determines the grade based on the following criteria. Assume that the total marks a person can gain is 100. If his or her marks is greater than 90, then the grade is A. If marks greater than 80, then the grade is B. If marks greater than 70, then the grade is C. Otherwise, the student has failed, right? So think the scenario, and this is just for a pictorial representation. Think you got 90 marks. In SSC, you may think that if you get the marks greater than 90, you will get grade A. If marks greater than 80, you will get grade B. Similarly, think it is your examination. You got some marks. Based on the marks, we need to decide what is your grade. Now, if you observe, there is one condition. 1 minute. There is one condition. No, right? There are multiple conditions. Multiple conditions. So we need to go with else if. Else if. Okay. First of all, think that, see, this is a number line. Assume this is a number line. This is a marks 0 and these are the some marks. Finally, you may get maximum marks as 100. If you get this type of questions, like there are multiple grades, or you need to tell whether a given number positive, negative, or neutral, means there are some conditions, right? More than two conditions. So observe in this way. And the question is, if the marks greater than 90, then your grade is A. If the marks greater than or 80, your grade is B. If the marks greater than or equal to 70, then your grade is C. Else, we need to print fail. See, come from top. First of all, think that this is 90. What we need to do? If the marks is greater than 90, we need to print A, grade A. If the marks is greater than or equal to 80, then we need to print B. If the marks is greater than or equal to 70, we need to print C. Don't think that why we need to print, because if in reality there is a person, we can tell that, hello Mr. B, you got some grade B, but there is no person, right? We need to interact with the computer. They will get on some display screen, so we need to print the thing here. So in case if the marks are less than 70, we need to print fail. Okay, it's very simple. First we need to check whether the marks greater than or equal to 90. First of all, check the biggest condition, because first of all, if we check with 80, A can come, B can come. If we check directly with 90, only one will come. Means if you tell greater than or equal to 80, he may get grade B or he may get grade A. So we need to decrease the confusion. First of all, check with marks greater than or equal to 90. If marks greater than or equal to 90, then he will get grade A. If marks greater than or equal to 80, then he will get grade B. If marks greater than or equal to 70, he will get grade C. Else means whatever the marks 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 69, he will get fail. I think so. Normally it's 35, but in our case it's 69 also fail. Similarly, if you get like D grade, E grade, C grade, you can write simply extend the formula like greater than or equal to 60, print D grade, greater than or equal to 50, E grade. Similarly, last if else, we need to tell the person is failed. So as I told in the English words, now I will represent it in algorithm before going to program. Okay. See, first of all, we need to start the program. Okay, first of all, simply starting the program, we need to know the marks, right? It is a program, we need to get the marks. So read the marks obtained by the user and store it in a variable marks. Means we had got the marks of a person, like some X has entered the marks, and we need to store the marks in a variable. Okay, it is fine. Now first of all, we need to check the topmost condition. If marks greater than 90, then we need to display A. If marks greater than 80, we need to tell B. If marks greater than 70, he will get grade C, else fail. Okay, it is fine. Now for example, let us take one example. If I got marks 70, not 70, it's like 85. What I need to get? Grade B, right? First we will check with if marks greater than 90. My marks is 85, it's not greater than 90, so the condition is fail. Now we will come to second condition. My mark greater than 80, the condition is true, right? It will print grade B. In this way the program will work. Based on the condition we will get the perfect grade. Now let's go to program. Don't think that it's a C program. Whatever the program it is, the concept is same and the logic is same, only the syntax differs. Okay, first of all, coming to my program, I need to, it is in C program, so I need to include header files hash include sto.h. It is an return type of the function is int, so at last I added statement 0. We need to, you should understand well. So here I wrote int, so here return 0. Okay, we need to store the marks of a student, right? So int marks print enter the marks of the student obtained. He will enter the marks. If marks greater than 90, we will print the grade is A. Else if marks greater than 80, we will print grade B. Else if marks greater than 70, we will print grade C. Else fail. You know, right? We have checked with the example 80 marks, right? First of all, for example, if the marks is grade 80, we need to print grade C, right? Let us check. Marks greater than 90, grade A. Marks greater than 90, first of all, it's failed. So we'll go with else if marks greater than 80, false, right? Our marks are 80. So else if marks greater than 70, our marks are greater than 70, the condition is true. So it will print grade C. Hence it will print grade C. This is the C program. Whatever the program you can write, it's very easy. I hope you all get the problem. That's it. It's a very simple problem. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, fine. Thank you.